Welcome to VXI Waltermart.
VXI Waltermart is located inside the Waltermart shopping mall and is one of the two sites located in Quezon City, the political, economic, social, cultural, and educational center of the country. As a part of Metro Manila, or the National Capital Region, Quezon City is the Philippines' most populous city with nearly 3 million inhabitants. The city is ranked 7th in the top 10 Asian cities of the future by the Finance Direct Investment magazine of the Financial Times Group. Quezon City is also considered a lifestyle city with conveniences spread out around the city for its residents, including over 13,700 restaurants and hundreds of beauty salons, fitness centers, dance schools, and movie theaters. VXI Waltermart is located along EDSA, Metro Manila's main and busiest highway connecting the cities of the National Capital Region. Public transportation are accessible 24/7 through buses, jeepneys, and taxis, as well as two of the main light rail train system of Metro Manila, all strategically within walking distance to our delivery center. Several malls, restaurants, and residential areas can also be found nearby.
The recruitment hub in VXI Waltermart is located at a nearby site called VXI Panorama Techno Center. It's open 24/7 and it also supports recruiting for our other Metro Manila VXI sites.
With few competitors in the immediate area, VXI Panorama Recruitment Hub have greater flexibility in hiring compared to other Metro Manila locations. The location of the recruitment hub allows us to take advantage not just the talent pool of Metro Manila, but also the talent pool of the northern Luzon provinces, giving this site a healthy mix of different profile requirements. The recruitment center can process an average of 100 to 150 applicants per day and have a success throughput rate of 10% from application to job offer stage. The literacy rate for the city soars at 98.32% with a very high rate of English speakers. It is home to over 90 college, universities, and vocational and technical education centers, which produces more than 20,000 college-level graduates every year. This makes Quezon City one of the largest sources of manpower in the Philippines, with its employable human resource asset of 1.7 million.
VXI Waltermart has 6 training rooms with a capacity of 25 training workstations per room.
Each training room can be provisioned for double monitor setup with headsets in each workstation. The rooms can also be tailor-fitted to each client's most detailed request, including branding options to boost brand awareness among new agents. Our training room capacity allows us to ramp up to 150 agents per month for any new engagement, saving clients time and money in the transition phase.
Our delivery center in VXI Waltermart has a break room and cafeteria where our employees can relax and enjoy their downtime.
There is an open network internet station, an in-house clinic open 24/7 to care for our employees, several sleeping quarters, and a lactation room for new mothers.
The production floor consists of over 1,800 production workstations spread out across about 8,000 square meters of space. The floor complies with the strictest PCI regulations to ensure fraud avoidance and can be accessed only through RFID proximity scans for additional security.
There are also several huddle rooms, meeting rooms, and team leaders' offices. A centralized air conditioning system and ergonomic chairs help keep our agents comfortable at all times. A backup power system along with VXI's UPS units ensures that the site is always online.
Welcome to VXI Waltermart, and we hope to see you here soon.